Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss one question that is asked in CSAT 2023 and it belongs to the topic. The question is Raj has 10 pairs of red. Okay, red are 10 pairs, 9 pairs of white, and 8 pairs of black shoes. Okay, in a box. If he randomly picks shoes one by one without replacement from the box to get a red pair of shoes to wear, what is the maximum attempts he has to make? So देखो, if there are 10 pairs, so 10 pairs means one will be left shoe and one will be right shoe in each pair. That means total 20 shoes, right? Total white are 18 shoes. Total black are 16 shoes. Now I have to tell what is the maximum number of attempts he has to make so that he get a red pair of shoes. He should be confident that he will get a red pair. तो क्या हो सकता है? पहले 18 plus 16, 18 plus 16 is 34. 34 अटेम्प्ट्स में हो सकता है कि उसको कोई व्हाइट पेयर मिल जाए या ब्लैक पेयर मिल जाए या ब्लैक शू मिल जाए, व्हाइट शू मिल जाए, राइट? So next after this, the next 10 pairs in which 10 are left shoes, 10 are right shoes. For the next 10 attempts, it is possible that he may get any one type of shoe, right? So 34 plus 10, total is going to be 44. Now when he has made 44 attempts, he is sure that at least he is having one red shoe, either it is left or right. Also, that type of shoe he has already picked up. Now he has to pick another right pair or left pair of the chosen one. Okay, so that means he need to pick one more. So the answer is 44 plus 1, that is 45. So 45 is the answer of this question. Let's jump on to our today's practice question. The question is, a bag contains 4 red balls, 3 green balls and 2 blue balls. If 2 balls are drawn randomly, what is the probability that both are red? I hope you all will be able to do this one. You will get the solution in the description given. Also, you will get the solution on our Telegram channel. Thank you. We'll meet again.